Okay, let's do a quick introduction to the concept of slope. Okay, slope is basically we want to find out how steep a line is. Okay, how steep a line is. Okay, so you see that it's straight, vertical, that is very steep. And if it's horizontal, it's flat, and you have in between. How do we calculate the slope of a line? Okay, the way we calculate it is if you have a line like this, then you have the rise, the change in the vertical distance divided by the change in the horizontal distance. That is slope. Okay, so if you have a slope of a line, you need 2 points. 2 points in the XY plane, 2 points to find the slope of the line. Okay, so for example, let's do the slope of line L1. Okay, L1's got coordinates A and B. Okay, so coordinates A and B. All right, so the X coordinates is written first and the Y coordinates next. Okay, so we have change in Y over change in X. That means you take your Y coordinates, you subtract 7 minus 4 or 4 minus 7, either way. So 7 minus 4, and then you have to do 1 minus 1. Okay, if you do 7 minus 4, then it is this 1 minus 1. Okay, all right. And then what do we get? We get 3 divided by 0, which is undefined. So we say a vertical line is infinitely steep. Infinitely steep. Okay, so if we look at line L3, okay, line L3, still we need 2 points. We're using the point E and the point F. Still, go with the formula. It's change in Y. You subtract your Y's, and then you subtract your X's. Okay, when you do, you have 0 over 6, which is 0. Okay, so 0 over 6 is 0. 6 over 0 is undefined. Okay, infinitely large. Infinitely large. Okay, so 0, that means the line doesn't have any slope. It is flat. Flat line, a horizontal line is flat. Okay, use the same concept, follow the concept, find the slope of line L2. Okay, still we go, we subtract your Y's first, is 7 minus 5. Okay, this 7 minus 5. Okay, then you divide by this X minus this X, 4 minus 2. If you do 5 minus 7, then you have to do 2 minus 4. So make sure it matches. If you do 7 minus 5, it should be divided by 4 minus 2. 7 minus 5, okay, this, and then this, okay? Or 5 minus 7 divided by 2 minus 4, you get the same answer either way, okay? But make sure you don't do 7 minus 5 and then you come and do 2 minus 4. You've made a mistake, okay? You see, this 2 here doesn't belong to this one. So they should match. 7 and a 4, then 5 and a 2. They go together. Okay, we have 2 points here. 2 points, A and B. Find the slope of a line. Another example. A third example. Okay, make sure you pause it. Okay, do it on your own without looking. Make sure you get the same answer. If it's not different answer, let me know if I made a mistake. All right. Okay. So you see that if you have a negative answer, that means the line goes this direction, slopes that way. Okay. All right. We have another example. And then a quick review of your integers, because you're going to need that. Review the integers on this page, and then go and practice in IXL. Okay, then let's do more exercises by linking it. Here's additional exercise on integers, 7th grade math, C10. And then we are going to apply it over here. Okay, we want to find the slope of this line here. Okay, so your slope is your y's minus your y's, the difference in your y's divided by the difference in your x's. So you can do negative 7 minus 5 divided by negative 3 minus 7. You get negative 12 over negative 13, which becomes positive. Or if you do 5 minus negative 7, see that this 5 minus negative 7 divided by 7 minus negative 3. Okay, what is 5 minus negative 7? It becomes 5 plus 7. And 7 minus negative 3 becomes 7 plus 3. The same thing, 12 over 10. I'm sorry, so this is correct. So it is, sorry, it's not, it is negative 3 minus 7. And you get 12 over 10. And then you simplify it. 12 over 10 simplified is 6 over 5. That's your slope. Right? So when you have negative numbers, be careful when you're doing your addition and subtraction. Don't make a mistake. Further exercises for you and unlimited practice over here in IXL. These are the sections you go and practice. All right? If you have any questions, email me. And this concludes this video. All right. Have a great day.